Okay, children. So now we have another question which we will be doing in the same pattern. Okay. So in this case, the only difference is that tally marks are given. So we need to count and write the number of children in this column, and then based on that we need to answer few questions. Okay. So for mango, we have some numbers given in the form of tally marks. So shall we count the number? So as we know that every fifth slanting line is denoted as 5. So how we will count? 5, 10, 15, then 16, 17 and 18. So I have 18 children who likes mango. Okay. Similarly for banana, it's 5, 10, 11 and 12. We have 12 children who likes banana. Next one, 5, 10, 15. I have 15 children who likes apple. Okay. Then 5, 10 and 11. I have 11 children who likes orange. Okay. The last one is pineapple. It's 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So 9 children likes pineapple. Okay. What is the next step? Do you remember? Very good. Now I need to find the total, right? Because it is very important for me to know what is the total of all the children present here. So now I am going to add the total. How will you add? 8 plus 2, 10, 15, 16, 16 plus 9 is 25. So 2, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 1, 6. So I have total of 65 children. Okay. So our second step is also over. So now I am going to ask you few questions. Okay. And my first question is, tell me which fruit is liked the maximum. Okay. So out of the given 5 fruits, you need to tell me which fruit is liked the maximum. So shall we see the answer? We need to check the table first, right? So mango is liked by 18 kids, banana by 12, apple by 15, orange by 11 and pineapple by 9. So which means mango is the highest. So my answer is mango, which is liked by 18 children. Okay. So the next question for you is, which fruit is opted by 11 children? So now this is a little tricky question, right? They have not asked which is being like the maximum or minimum. They have asked us the number. So how many kids are opting for a fruit which has got 11 children? Okay. So see here. Yes, this. And the particular fruit is what? It is orange. Orange is liked by 11 children, right? So my answer will be orange. Okay. Coming to the next question. My next question is, which fruit is liked by the least? So did you understand the meaning of the question? It means that which is the fruit which is liked by less number of children? Just check the table and tell me. Very good. It is pineapple. Only 9 kids like pineapple. Right. My answer is pineapple. Okay. The next question for you is, how many kids are there in total? So now did you understand what is the reason for us to find out the total column? Because In case if there is any question related to the total, once we finish doing the total, it is easy for us to give the answer, right? So as we have already found out the total, so I have total of 65 children. Okay. The last question here is, can you tell me the difference between children who likes mangoes more than bananas? So did you understand? So here you have to tell me the difference between the children who likes mangoes more than bananas. So how many children likes mangoes? It is 18. And how many children like banana? It is 12. So I need to do a subtraction. So 18 minus 12 is 6. Right. So my answer is 6 children likes more as compared to mangoes and bananas, which means there are 6 kids who likes mango more than bananas. Is it clear, children? So shall we do some more questions? Now I have another question for you. Again, it is an interesting question and let us solve together to find out the answers. Okay. So can you see the table, children? Now in this question, we are not going to use tally mark because it is not telling me the number of children. It is only telling me the inches in centimeter. So I have 5 to 6 children here and I have their height measured in centimeter. Can you see this? Okay. So are you ready for your questions? Great. So here is your first question. My first question says that how many children have 65 centimeter as their height? Okay. So did you understand the question? From this table, you need to tell me how many kids are having 65 centimeter as their height. So I have one, that is Raj, and then I have Meera, who is also having 65 centimeter as their height, right? So my answer will be 2 children. Okay. So since they have not asked like who are the kids, you need not mention their names. They have only asked us how many children are having height as 65 centimeter. Okay. So did you understand this one? Good. So my next question for you is, who is the tallest of all? Just see and tell me who is having the tallest height. I have 65, 80, 75, 70, 65 and 55. So 80, right? So it is Ananya. So my answer is Ananya. Okay? Cool. Now, my next question for you is, who is the shortest of all? Okay. So similarly, we'll check the table again and we have 55 centimeter as the least height. And who is having that? It is Sheenu. So my answer is Sheenu. Okay. Good. Now, your next question is, what is the maximum height shown here? So, What is the maximum height which is being shown here? It is very good, 80 centimeter. Okay. Next question for you is, what is the minimum height shown here? Can you tell me the minimum height? This one, right? Very good. So my answer will be 55 centimeter. Okay. Now, your last question is, can you tell me the difference in height between Meera and Myra? So what is Myra's height? Myra is having 75 centimeter as height. And what is the height of Meera? Meera is having 65 centimeter. Right. So what is the difference? It is 10 centimeter. So they have a difference of 10 centimeter. So are you clear, children, with this pattern of questions?